Tuesday nights are busy for us. Our girls play soccer. So as soon as my husband comes home, we eat and then we head to their practice. So I want to make something not only quick today, but also different. A recipe we've never tried before, but it looked very good and it looked pretty easy. So let's give it a shot together. So I'm going to put 3 different spices. I'm using paprika, chili powder, and crushed red peppers. I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste. And I always look every time I cook, I'm like, I need to buy more salt. And then I forget about it. So I do need to get salt this week at the store. And we'll do some pepper. Now we need juice from 1/2 of a lime. I don't have real lime. We're going to go with the fake lime juice and we're going to add about a tablespoon. Because we have a large family, I'm going to go ahead and double the recipe with our spices because I have 8 chicken thighs as opposed to just 4. So that way I want to make sure that my chicken is seasoned. So we'll do that. And I'll squeeze a little bit more of the lime juice. While my chicken is marinating, I'm going to go ahead and chop up vegetables. For vegetables, I have onions, I have color peppers, and I have 2 tomatoes. I'm going to cook my chicken thighs first, and then I will add vegetables, and I will cook it in the same pan. So that way we can keep all the flavors in one place. I picked up this stoneware pot or dish, whatever you want to call it, at a local trash dump about a year or so ago. It was somebody was throwing somebody else's estate items, so I asked if I can look through it, and this was in a box. And so today seems to be a perfect time to use it. I've used it a few times, but this is perfect because I have a lot of chicken, so we'll see how it bakes. I'm going to start out by caramelizing my onions first. Onions have caramelized. I'm going to go ahead and add tomatoes and red pepper. To my vegetables, I'm going to add different spices. I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of, I gotta look through it, onion powder, garlic powder, and then salt and pepper. This smell is so fragrant. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon, very generous tablespoon of tomato paste. This recipe uses a whole can of coconut milk. Now, if you don't like coconut flavor, you can definitely substitute for heavy whipping cream and use it instead. But if you're using coconut milk, this makes this recipe gluten-free, it makes it dairy-free, it makes it egg-free. So if you have a friend who has food allergies, send them this recipe because I feel like they really would appreciate it. I'm going to let this sauce simmer for just a little bit until it thickens. Then I'm going to use my blender and blend everything up so that way my kids are not questioning what kind of vegetables are in there. But if you do like vegetables and texture vegetables, you definitely can just leave it as is and put on your chicken at this point. But we're going to trick my kids just a little bit by blending everything together and pouring it on chicken after that. Note to self, do not overfill. With 4 kids, I feel like by now I'm a pro at cleaning messes, so this is a breeze. Let's just move this out of the way and clean up the mess I just made. Fun fact about our family is I do not buy paper towels. Now, I do have a small little bit that I hide it only for like special occasion cleaning up messes. Otherwise, I have towels that I use and reuse, and that way it's way cheaper than spending money on paper towels that I feel that my kids will use up in a day. I have a little bit sauce left in here. Let's try it. This is really good. I want some more. It has a very, very light coconut flavor. And it's getting balanced by all the other, by vegetables, by spices. It has a little bit of a kick. And I'm going to be like a kid trying to lick this dish. Really good. All right, we're going to put aluminum foil over our chicken and set it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Cook pasta of your choice to go with your chicken. I picked up our pasta at Aldi. Friends, our whole family absolutely loved the dish. The sauce was something else. It was different, but it was so delicious. In fact, my 6-year-old asked for seconds. Good. Come back for more simple and delicious meals.